Updating your legal name on Poloniex is an important step to ensure that your account information is accurate. Follow these simple steps to complete the process quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Poloniex account by entering your username and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings section. This is usually found in a profile or account menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select name change option. In account settings, look for an option related to personal information or name changes. Click on this option to proceed with updating your legal name. Step 4. Provide required documentation. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After submitting your documentation, review the changes and confirm your request. You may receive a confirmation email once your name has been updated successfully. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name on Poloniex should be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Poloniex customer support for assistance.